What's even more important is your bedtime routine. So we're going to go through a bedtime routine of what we can do to our hair so that it stays moisturized. And I'm going to do that for you today. So let me get ready and I'll be back, okay? Okay, y'all, so my face is clean. Got the makeup off. And I'm ready for bed. So let's do a quick, let me say, I don't do this every night. So some days at work, it's rough. I just come in and I pull my hair down and I definitely put on my silk bonnet, but I promise you I don't do my nighttime routine every night. That's just real life. That's just real. A lot of times when I want my hair already ready for the next morning and moisturized, I do my nighttime routine. So, and basically that's just water and a little bit more THC on my hair, and I kind of may separate this in the back.